said keeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason. You throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. 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 Dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play,
on here and chit chat with you guys right quick. I hope you all enjoyed the recipe. Tomato burgers are my favorite. I didn't include cheese because I don't like to put cheese on tomato burgers because it gets a little messy because of the tomatoes, of course, because they're wet. But I normally do have cheese with my burgers, so it's totally up to you if you want to do that. But I hope you enjoyed that recipe. It's one of my favorite healthy recipes. You know, instead of using bread, I'm trying to stay away from bread, but you know, every now and then I have a little bread here and there. But I will be incorporating more healthy recipes on this channel, and I'm gonna have like a mixture of both because I have some of my subscribers that loves my southern cooking as well as different other dishes that I make. So it's going to be a mixture of everything. So I hope you all enjoy, and I thank you all for watching my videos and supporting me and subscribing to my channel. And for all of my new subscribers, thank you all so much. I am so grateful for you all. I wanted to also come on here, Rock Just Living, guys. Rock Just Living, subscribe to her and show her some support. She told me about these little trees, you know, the ones that you put in your car. I said, oh, she had named another one, but I forgot the name of it. But I remember this one, Supernova. She said this one smells so good. That was her go-to, and I smelled it, y'all. It smells really good. So if y'all like these little trees, check this one out. I just wanted to let you guys know that, and don't forget to subscribe and support Rock Just Living, and let her know that Mink sent you guys. You know, if y'all are interested in these little trees, I know a lot of people like these little trees and stuff, and it comes with 3 in a pack. I got this from Dollar General, but they are everywhere. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you all for watching. I love you all, my Minkies. Bye bye. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Bye bye, my Minkies.